Ndewono! Greetings everyone. Welcome back to I Love Igbo channel. Aham bụ Onyinye. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. I promise you a truckload of fun and very interesting contents. So you are pretty much welcome. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button to join the community. And also like and share this video. Turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you that I have uploaded a new video. Okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you very much for returning back. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your likes and your comments. I see everything and I can't take it for granted. Thank you, Dalu. Dalu rinne chuku goziegi. Oh. So in today's video, we'll be learning money and the different denominations we have in Nigeria. Yes, we have 8 denominations of money in Nigeria. 8 denominations. Now, the Nigeria currency is called Naira. Naira. So we have 8 denominations of Naira. Okay? So the first one is Naira Ise. Naira Ise, which is 5 naira. Okay, and this is 5 naira here. This is how 5 naira is. All right, I hope you can see it very well. That's naira ise. That's why it's very important to watch the numbers video where we learned onog in Igbo language. So when we're talking about naira, when we're talking about hundreds, thousands, puku, nde, and the rest of them, that's millions and billions. You know what we are talking about. So go ahead and watch the numbers video. The video will be in the description box. The link will be in the description box. Okay, so this is 5 naira, which is naira ise. Naira ise. Hope you can see it very well. Okay, so the next one we have is naira iri. Naira iri. This is naira iri, 10 naira. Naira iri. Hope you can see it very well. Naira iri, 10 naira. That's number 2. Then the next one is naira iri abo. Naira iri abo, which is 20 naira. 20 naira. Naira iri abo. Hope you can see it very well. Naira iri abo, 20 naira. Then the next one is 50 naira, which is naira iri ise. Naira iri ise. That's 50 naira. Naira iri ise. That's how it is, how it looks like. The next one is 100 naira. Nari naira. Or you can call it Otu nari naira, 100 naira. Otu nari naira. This is how it looks like. Otu nari naira or naira or nari naira. Okay. Then the next is nari naira abo. Look at it. Nari naira abo. Nari naira abo. 200 naira. 200 naira. Go and watch the numbers video, the onwog video, so that you know what I'm talking about very well. That's 200. Nari naira abo. The next one is 500 naira. Nari naira ise. Nari naira ise. Nari naira ise. 500 naira, which is the 7th money. The 7th denomination. Okay, and the last is 1000 naira. 1000 naira, which is Otupuku naira, or you can call it Puku naira. Otupuku naira or Puku naira. So 5 naira, 10 naira, 20 naira, 50 naira, 100 naira, 200 naira, 500 naira, and 1000 naira. So the currency is naira. Hope you understand. All right, so names of money Now, you know money is called ego. Sorry, I didn't say it from the start. Money is ego, okay? That is what it's called, ego, ego. Now, when you're going to pay a debt, debt is called owo, owo, debt, owo. And that brings us to, what kind of owo are you going to pay? What kind of debt are you going to pay? Is it ụgwọ ụlọ ọgwụ? Is it ụgwọ ụlọ? Which one? Ụgwọ ụlọ is house rent. Ụgwọ ụlọ, house rent. Ụgwọ ụlọ. Now, school fees. Ụgwọ akwụkwọ. Ụgwọ akwụkwọ. That is school fees, because akwụkwọ is book. Now, the school where you read and write and do everything and learn is what? Ụlọ akwụkwọ. Now, you're going to pay the school fees. Ụgwọ akwụkwọ. Now, the hospital bill is called ụgwọ ụlọ ọgwụ. Ụgwọ ụlọ ọgwụ, hospital bills. Ụgwọ ụlọ ọgwụ. Now, the NEPA bill is what? Ụgwọ ọkụ. Ụgwọ ọkụ. Ụgwọ ọkụ. Ụgwọ ọkụ. Okay? Now, your salary, that salary they pay you is what? Ụgwọ ọnwa. Now, at the end of the month, they will pay you ụgwọ ọnwa. Your salary will enter. Gam gam. So it's called what? Ụgwọ ọnwa. Ụgwọ ọnwa. Ụgwọ ọnwa. Now, bride price is called ụgwọ isi or ego isi. Ego isi or ụgwọ isi. Remember, money is ego. Do you understand? So when you say ego isi why, that's the bride price. Okay? That's ego isi why or ụgwọ isi why. That's the bride price. Okay? Now, the offering you give in church is what? Ego onyinye. Ego onyinye. You remember, onyinye is gift. So that gift of money you give in the church is called offering. That is the ego onyinye. Ego onyinye. Ụgwọ ọnwa. Ụgwọ isi. Ụgwọ ụlọ ọgwụ. Ụgwọ akwụkwọ. Ụgwọ what again? Ụgwọ ụlọ. And the rest of them. Then the capital is what? Ego azụmahịa. Ego azụmahịa. Or you can say ego azụmahịa. That ahịa and afịa, they are the same thing. Just the H and the F. It depends on the dialect. So, ego azụmahịa. Ego azụmahịa. That's the capital. Alright? So, I hope you found this video very helpful. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, share this video, and give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about this video, and remember to share. Kemesia.